Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miracle. If it's your first time here, you're definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's popping? So basically today's look is going to be this beautiful thing I'm giving you right here. I decided to go for something really sultry and summery. Just know how I created this look. Please stay till the end of this video. And before we get right into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big old thumbs up if you enjoy it, and follow me on all my social media pages. Turn on my post notifications so you'll be the first person to know when I post. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. To continue prepping my skin, I'm going to go into my Revlon Rose Glow Hydrating Illuminating Primer. So recently I got this in my boxy charm. This is the Pure Heal by Nature, so which I like, and then it has a pump just like so. So the last but not the least thing I'm going to be using on my face is my Olay mist. I love this mist so much. It is so nice, you guys. First, before we go into a foundation routine, we have to color correct. Color correct every part of my face that I feel is darker, or I just don't want to really be obvious underneath my foundation. I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Professional Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in the shade R510. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender just to blend even more of this foundation. The reason why I went to the brush first was because I didn't want to use my beauty blender to take out all the products that was on my face already. Concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Professional Ultra HD Concealer in the shade 52. Today I'm going to be going into my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Espresso. If you want to know how to do that, you start from where your side buns is, just to the place where your eye ends. So this is where my eye ends, right here, and this is where my side buns is. And give it that, and I like taking it up. Do the same thing here, right there. Do our brows. Okay, I'm not going to be doing my brows on camera just because it takes a decade. So I'm going to go behind the camera and get my brows done, and I will be right back. So today's eye look is inspired by Vanessa. Most of my looks are literally inspired by her. Definitely today's look is also inspired by her. I'm going to be using our Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. First palette we're going to be using today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina collaboration palette. The shade we're going to be going into would be Ginger. The next shade we're going to be going into in the same palette would be Credit, and we're going to be using that to deepen the crease. Back into Credit, and we're going to be marrying those two together so it looks more seamless and less divided. So I'm using a fluffier brush just to blend into our ABH primer. I am going to cut the crease. Copy a black black one. And
so you guys, I realized that I wasn't recording anymore, but what I did immediately after I cut my crease was to go into my Jackie palette volume 2, and I used a really nice orange from that palette and I laid it on my crease, and that was it.
Probably a black one, and I'm going to be using that to create a smoky eyeliner. We're going to put a little bit of dark liner. So now I'm going to go behind the scenes and just put on some lashes. So now that I have lashes on, I'm going to line my lips, overline my lips if you notice. So then I'm going with my concealer brush just to clean out. I'm not putting any product on it. This is the product that was already there. I'm just going to clean out any mistake I made. So first I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Crush. On the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. To round everything up, we're going to go in with our Fenty Beauty Clear Gloss, and I'm going to be using that to round everything up. And then we're going to go in with this other Fenty Beauty in Diamond Milk, a little bit of glue at the edges, even if the gloss is already giving it glue, but like I like that shimmer effect it gives my lips. I'm only chasing after bags, now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Using my holy grail setting spray that I've ever used. Like, this is it, Morphe. Like, this setting spray just does everything. Oh my goodness. So I have sprayed my face, so I'm going to go behind the camera and fix my hair and bid you guys goodbye. Okay, to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you've come to this point of this video, thank you so much. Do not forget to also follow me on all my social media platforms, my Instagram, my Twitter, and also my Snapchat. So taking suggestions on what other content you guys would want me to post up on my channel, turn on my post notification so you'll be the first person to know when I post. Until next time guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.